Herbs are an amazing addition to our meals, packed with flavor and nutrients. Let's explore. Start your day right by adding fresh herbs like basil or cilantro to your morning smoothie. Chop up some parsley and mix it into your scrambled eggs for a burst of freshness at breakfast. For lunch, toss some dill into your salads. It enhances flavor and adds a nutritious punch. Experiment with mint leaves in your fruit salads. They elevate the taste. Incorporate rosemary into roasted vegetables for a fragrant aroma that tantalizes the senses. Add thyme to your soups and stews. Its earthy flavor brings warmth to any dish. Consider making herb-infused oils. They're perfect for drizzling over pizzas or pasta. Feeling adventurous? Try making your own herbal teas using chamomile or lavender for relaxation. By incorporating herbs daily, not only do you enhance flavors but also boost your health.